guys? We're here at the check-in of Overland West Expo. Got everybody lining up, vendors and campers. It's beautiful out, 74 degrees, and there are just any and every kind of vehicle here. Stoked. What's up, guys? At the expo, got the trailer fully set up. Look at this thing, super sweet with the awning and everything out. Here's a good look at it real quick in here. It's supposed to rain and get nasty, but here's what it looks like. Drinking Coors, duh, out here. Hopefully I don't get copywritten because of this stupid song, but we got literally everybody out here. GFC's right here. King Shocks over there. I mean, it's easy to get lost here, so gonna go hang out at the expo, meet a lot of people, see a lot of familiar faces and friends, get some food, and get another Coors. So I'll give you guys some highlights of the show and stuff after tomorrow. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's day one of the expo. Beautiful out here, nice and sunny. Dude, there's so much to see. I mean, first thing right off the bat in GFC's booth, I'm gonna show you. There's a Tacoma on portals. If you don't know what portals are, you're about to get learned. Anyway, out here, had a shower last night. The trailer life is the life, man. Super bougie. All right, before I show you guys some of the cool stuff at the expo, I want to give a massive shout out to Brian at Cadence Collection. If you guys remember, I did some Coors like collab stuff with them a while ago, Coors Banquet. So they made a collab with me. We have our own shirt right here, and I'm freaking grinning ear to ear. This is the coolest thing ever. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. But also, if you know Jason, Taco Dust, they did a collab shirt with him as well. Both are available on the Cadence Collection website. I'll put a link and everything down there, so you can buy this shirt. And here's another look what the back of the shirt looks like. But this is super high quality stuff. Cadence always does awesome stuff. But here's the back. So got the metal horns. Built to roam, respect trails, shred lightly, pack it in, pack it out, arc off-road, Cadence. Just awesome. Grinning ear to ear about that. So another absolutely incredible thing that Brian went out of his way and did for me. He made a couple skateboards for me and got them signed by freaking Daewon's song. Like, I don't know if you guys, how much you follow me or know me or whatever, but I still skate. I grew up skating. That was like my number one passion as a kid. And, you know, this is like, I'm speechless, man. I guess his homies with Daewon and got this thing signed. I'll probably throw up a couple pictures of him holding the board and stuff, but thank you so much, Brian. I appreciate the love there, man. Mega stoked. So, all right, yeah, like I said, if you want to buy a shirt, check out the website, and the links and stuff will be down in the description. All right, guys, check out this Tacoma on portals. All billet. The spindle's billet. The lower is billet machine parts, and the whole gearbox assembly is all billet as well. So if you don't know anything about these, you get insane ground clearance, and basically your re-gear is done in each axle, basically. So it's like a set of reduction gears, and you get insane amount of lift. Like, let's show you back here. Like, you see how tall, how tall that is? This truck's on 37s too. But look how much clearance. Like, you can fit an entire 37 under there and not even touch the pumpkin. But portals are insane. This is from 74 Weld. I think they've done Jeeps and stuff in the past. I think this is one of the first Tacomas running this kit. One of the first Tacomas in general. Look at that. It's just so insane. My RC car has portals. All right, check this out. This is probably one of the coolest booths out here. This is the Black Rhino booth, but look at their backdrop and stuff. There's like all these wooden things holding the wheels, but also they have an RC track.
How cool's that?
So sick. I think they're doing like time trials. Yeah, look, it's like a competition. So freaking awesome. We should bring our truck to do this.
My bad. He's first. I forgot about that.
Look at this booth.
Thank you.
Seriously, what a setup. Unbelievable.
Double dipping.
All right, we're at the Cadence booth. We got my collab shirt on display here. They also got a bunch, obviously, of other really awesome like lifestyle apparel, also cycling gear. I got this as well. This is one of the nicest like pullover things. It's a biker like pullover or whatever, but I wear it all the time. Put your banquets in the back. Here's the shirt again. We got a Taco Dust collab shirt here. Lots of cool stuff. And then we got some more of the goodies that you guys have seen on the channel. So, what's up, y'all? How you doing? All right, storm's coming. You can see the rain in the distance. This is gonna be fun. You got all these people lined up to buy rain gear. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, these expos are overwhelming, man. I don't even know if I remember where our booth is. Found us. The rain finally kind of died down. Now we're walking around. Here's the Baja booth. This is Jason's Scout 2 Coors Banquet Edition. Super sweet. And then he's got his bike. Incredible. I don't even know what to show you guys. There's so much stuff. Off-Grid's booth is over here. Off-Grid trailers. Our friends at RRE Global. What's up, guys? We're over here at the Flagstaff show, and we're in the Toyota booth, and these are the brand new 4th gen Tacomas. So this is the Trail Hunter package. They don't have the Pro here. We'll walk around that in a second, but I don't know which one this one is. It's like an access cab, long bed, but there's some crazy different features here. So check out like the body mount area. Looks like you got a little bit more room to stuff some tires and cut some stuff up. Fender flares are definitely wider. The back of the cab has this little notch thing. It's kind of cool. And then this is a spring under leaf spring kit, which is very surprising to me. Another cool thing is the frame is fully boxed, so no more chassis twist, which is amazing. Show you the back. Looks like a mini Tundra in the back. I think this is like the pre-runner style. Yeah, pre-runner. So it's got a locker in the rear. Over here is the Trail Hunter. So a bunch of ARB components on the back. I think this model's kind of whack. I don't know. I don't love it, but fender flares are super wide. You got all this kind of storage and stuff in the back. ARB components everywhere. This one I think is coils. Can't see. I'll go on the other side and show you, but really weird snorkel. I think it's a turbo 4-cylinder, I-Force Max. We got some cool like billet looking arms. Here's the front. It's got some rigid light bars and a bar right there with a camera. Zach's crying because he has too much sunscreen in his eyes.
Please help me. Help.
Hey. Let's see if we can see these shocks. Yeah, here's the coil back there. So coil rear end is super interesting. You got your sway bars here. Man, way different, way different. You got these arms too, so super different. Stoked to be here and see these in person though. Unfortunately, the TRD Pro isn't here, but at any rate, these things look way different and super cool. It's kind of a mix of the Sequoia and the Tundra to me. All right, so I just talked with Toyota, and the Trail Hunter and the Pro are 3 inches wider than the pre-runner version. So the lower control arms are the exact same. The only difference is the wheel offset and the fender flares. So these fender flares are about that wide. And then if you look at the Trail Hunter, they stick out a little wider, and the offset is a little bit different. So you can see that one versus this. So I'll try to get a more front than this one. You can tell the width and the flares and the offset. Another thing on the Trail Hunter is these sliders are actually mounted to the body. You can see right there, right there, right there, and so forth. Here's some shots of the rear disc brakes. Here's a look at the Trail Hunter UCA. Looks really nice. Some of the componentry. Sway bar disconnect in there somewhere. Here's some of the lower control arm components, what that looks like, with some weird pre-bent looking tie rod and a paper thin skid plate. That's what that looks like. LME. What's up, guys? This is probably going to be the end or very near to the end of this video, or however I end up editing this video series. But we just drove through from the expo to Las Vegas in some stupid Las Vegas traffic. I don't know how any of you guys live here. If you do live here, it's just dumb. And we are staying at one of our dealers, National Indoor RV Center right there in Las Vegas. We're camping here, urban style in the parking lot. Micah, he's gonna take us to the airport in the morning, but right now Bart and I are just kind of scouting for a potential like spot we can actually drop this thing and camp for the night, urban style. So kind of funny. We got some Burger King, so it's kind of one of those things you just got to figure it out as you go. Let's see what Bart says. All right, we're just gonna kind of go back to the entrance. We thought we could find a little side street and be inconspicuous and camp, but it says no parking, even though there's 18-wheelers doing it. But yeah, this is a pretty massive RV center. Super cool. They put on our bumpers on, Sprinter vans and stuff like that. So again, thanks Micah for letting us crash here tonight. Not stoked because look at that, 93 degrees. So that's awesome. Gonna freaking sweat my nerds off out here in this camper. Anyway, I think this is literally right over there in the corner. It's gonna be our campsite for tonight, and we're gonna shower and everything, so we'll be nice and fresh for the airport in the morning. But I'm gonna help Bart real quick. All right, guys, this is pretty hilarious. So like I said, we're at National Indoor RV. It is 11:38, and we have the van with another trailer and the Tacoma with my trailer. We both definitely, well, Bart's still showering. I just showered. There he is. And if you look right there, 24-hour surveillance. So that's cool. So if you guys get a show, you're welcome. So we both took a shower. we may or may not have gotten this, which is a dog bag poop thing and a trash can we had in the van, and maybe we both took a dump right here. I don't know. Just maybe that might have happened, so that's good. That's a first. I mean, dude, we are literally like, this is an Amazon distribution center. These dudes are loading up trucks and stuff, and we're showering and pooping right here. So that's probably the most van life thing I've ever done in my life. But it's still hot as crap. We might even sleep with the doors open. I don't know. I hope the camper is like decent. I'm not gonna die in there, so I might sleep with the door open. The max air fan is broken, which blows, so I can't even get some good air in. So that's fun. But anyway, that's my update, and that's how I'm gonna close the video because I'm being very real. So yeah, just flying out in the morning from LAS to Denver and then to XNA. So, oh man, there's a dude. There's a dude over there. That's great. Hopefully we won't die tonight. Anyway, yeah, then I'll be home tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.